Hello everyone. Today is the big day. I'm feeling tense because I'm getting rid of this. Sorry, I can only show you that because of various personal and societal reasons. Uh, my therapist is already here. She's wearing the PPE kit. We'll see. And I just wanted to inform that my legs are kind of giving up. I'm informing beforehand so that no one will be in an impression that the laser hair removal caused this. Yeah, they're already giving up. It's okay. We'll see. I've gone through forums of people with multiple sclerosis who had gotten laser hair removal done, and I did not read any negative things, so I'm going forward with this one. And I'd have no doctor to consult because I'm not on allopathy medication. I'm taking homeopathy, so I have no doctor to consult. So I'm just braving this. We'll see how it goes. So, which room, ma'am? Here only. Okay. So that's my therapist wearing the PPE kit. She had set up the machine. So the machine and all is set up over there. And we're gonna start. I'm gonna have to wear this. So I'm not going to show anything from now. I'm sorry. Bye bye hair. Goodbye. I'll miss you, I guess. I don't know. Okay. We'll update you once the treatment is done.